Well, welcome back everybody. It's been quite a while since I've done a video. And just going to quickly show you what I was working on with the boat here. Yeah, geez, it's been over a month, I think. But finally the weather's breaking and the snow is going away. Middle of April. Well, I think the 18th of April or something like that. Anyhow, yeah, it's good to see everyone again. Why did I say that? I can't see anybody actually, unless I'm watching the video after I do this. So, okay, here we go. So I was working on this boat and yeah, I done some sanding to make it, to change the angles a little bit. So it's more concave or whatever you want to call it. So anyways, there's not a hump here. So, and I'm going to be painting this thing. I wish I could have left it wood, but I left everything underneath. So all the original structure is still here. I never touched any of it. So, I mean, if somebody wants to put this back when I'm gone, or if I sell it or whatever, I put so many hours into it, I'm probably never going to sell it. But yeah, so anyways, she's all here. Yeah, it's a 1957 Alumacraft Flying C. Yeah, here we go. So I have, yeah, the steering wheel you had seen before. I'm going to spin you around here. You might not have seen the speedometer, but their steering wheel's good. It's not too tight. And then I did spilt some stain here and I got to clean that up. But obviously the dash is almost done. The port starboard ignition switch, because I'm eventually going to put electric starters on these motors. They run fine. You know, it's a few pulls and away they go. But it's kind of cool. And I'm not worried about the weight. So electric starters it is. Anyhow, the throttles are done as well. I don't know if you've seen that last time. The cables are all in. So, and yeah, it works. I put Adele clamps in to kind of finish it off, make it look nice. And oh, here's the wires for the starter. I should tuck that away. I'll do it later. But yeah, there she is in all her glory. I have one more seat to throw in. I'm just gonna put 4 seats in. Maybe I'll put 5. I'll put 3 in the back here. Oh, sorry, I'll spin you around this way. We're gonna zip you around all over the place. So yeah, maybe I have one more to go over there, but I could put 3 here. Almost could put 4 here. But I think the weight, then I'm really pushing the weight back here. Especially if you get a couple guys like me. 2's enough, because I don't know how the balance of the boat's going to be. I assume she is going to be a little tail heavy. I did put the gas tanks back here, but I don't have to fill the gas tanks either. I don't go that far. So here's the gas tanks there. And yeah, but she works good. Like I said, the throttles, away we go there, and we have all the way back, and then there, now that's there we go. So yeah, everything's nice and smooth. It's on there solid. Forward reverse works. I had the motors running a while ago. Yeah, so I just want to give you a quick update that yeah, it's getting so close. It really is. There's the angle there. You can see with the bow. That's not too bad. Oh, and I'm probably going to put a windshield on it. I have the old windshield, the original one, but because I changed the angle and it's a little bit further, now this is a little bit bigger than up there, the windshield doesn't quite fit. Plus it's got a crack in it. And yeah, I'll just buy some Lexan and do the same outline, cut the same angle. Just needs to be a little wider. It's only going to be about maybe 18 inches high. But yeah, it's so close. I have to, what do I have to do? I got a small hole actually I found in the hull. I think I showed that on one video as well. Yeah, it's down there. You can kind of see the daylight coming through. You might not be able to see it, but anyhow, there's a small hole. It looks like a bullet hole, like straight up. But anyways, I gotta fix that. And then put the licensing on, because now the boat's licensed in my name. And so this registration comes off, because this is a very old registration. And I don't do that anymore. And now it's an ON number for Ontario in Canada here. But yeah, it's man, it's so close. I'm just dying to know how fast it's gonna go. Like, I do like fast boats. Obviously it's not gonna go that fast, but man, it sure would be nice to get 30+ miles an hour out of it. I have no idea. Well, I'll see how even accurate the speedometer is. I have a GPS on this phone, and I also have another GPS as well, so then at least I'd be able to see kind of how close the speedometer is for accuracy. But yeah, soon, really soon. Anyways, probably at least another 4 or 5 days to finish it. I still have to put some putty in and then paint it. I'm just gonna do like a satin black for now. Might change it to blue, go white, I don't know. I'm just gonna paint it. Right now I got satin black, and see how that holds up or what it even looks like. But yeah, oh, and then after I paint it, then I have the front here to put on the support for like a grab handle here. So I have that in the shop. Yeah, trailer's all done. Or is the trailer done? No, trailer's not done. I'm changing the lights. So I got new LED lights. Supposedly they should work pretty good. They had a good rating on Amazon, so I don't know what's gonna happen. But anyways, I'm gonna put new trailer lights on with marker lights. Oh, I actually mounted one up. I mounted up a marker light down here. Never had marker lights before. Oh yeah, I still have to paint this yet too. I have the paint for this, galvanized paint. But probably paint that galvanized too. But yeah. Yeah, that's it, I guess. I ended up clearing out the yard a little bit. I got rid of a couple boats. I showed you a boat back here behind the old Willie's Jeep. It's gone. And then I had, well, I had 7 boats. And geez, I don't need 7 boats. So I still have to fix this Alumacraft. I think I showed on one video here, this girl. This is my original boat as I've had as a teenager. And the seat, it was badly cracked and damaged. And so the other day, I pulled the seat out. I gotta watch where I'm walking here because there's actually still ice on the ground. Okay, you can probably hear it in the camera. So yeah, here we go. I pulled the seat out. And this bracket here, that goes here, was cracked. So a matching bracket to that side. Yeah, to that side there. Oh, and it was a nightmare to get the seat out. I scraped the boat. So I dropped this side down, picked that side up, and it still didn't want to come out. So I was tired. I just pushed and I scraped her. So anyways, just add some more scrapes to the boat. But geez, they're awesome boats. They're so lightweight and they're deep enough and they're wide enough. They're good and safe. So, but I'll have this one in the water first, actually. I think next week I'm going to work on this one, and yeah, but I have to fix the seat. So once I fix the seat and change the mounting bracket, then it'll be good to go. So Anyhow, yeah, hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Hopefully it won't be a month and a bit since I post one, but please comment, please like, subscribe. I rarely get comments. I don't have that many people that are subscribing. Tell your friends, please, because yeah, the more subscriptions and the more likes and comments, negative or positive, I'll take anything. And yeah, spurs me on to maybe do more videos. We got a lot of stuff on the go. I don't mind doing videos, but yeah, there's not really a lot of people watching. So, okay, anyhow, happy Easter, and take care, and bye for now.